One piece of content doesn't have to end with one piece of content. What do I mean by that? You can repurpose and remix your content into multiple assets. For example, if you write a great blog post, let's say you created a list with 5 different sections. Each of those sections could be a status update on LinkedIn. Each of those sections could be an email that you send out to your newsletter. Each of those sections could be turned into a presentation as a PDF, which is uploaded to LinkedIn, that may also be uploaded to Instagram in a carousel format. Do not assume that one asset that you have developed needs to rest on its own as what it was originally intended to be. Can it turn into a video? Can it turn into a podcast? Can it turn into a Twitter storm? What else can you remix that piece of content into to ensure that you're getting the best ROI and bang for your buck for every single asset that you've developed?